Alright, so for this video, let's talk about gold, Bitcoin, and maybe some stocks. Okay, for Bitcoin, I'm still waiting for price to reach into the monthly CB right here. Okay, that'll be around 32. We have a monthly fair value gap right here. Not sure if it's gonna reach into, but if it does, it's a longing opportunity up into this level here, and probably the consequent encroachment as well. Okay, we have the opening of the breaker right here, so I expect this level to create the top, and then we make new lows. Okay, that's for BTC. For gold, right, because it has taken out the equal highs right here, maybe we get a push higher or not, but it's not a place whereby you want to long. Okay, I would prefer shorts for gold right now above the highs here. Okay, because overall we're in consolidation right now. We're just seeking liquidity. All right, so on a higher time frames, I understand that we are sort of bullish, but in a way it has reached so far, okay, from these levels right here. So I would love for it to come back down into a yearly inefficiency, which is right here. Okay, this is the yearly inefficiency. Right, so reach into this fair value gap, shifted higher, taking out the equal highs, and I believe that it's gonna come back down. Okay, this is for gold. All right, let's move on to Tesla. Tesla, as I've mentioned before, if you're bullish, you can long inside this fair value gap right here. Okay, your profit taking would be this highs and probably this high right here. But if I was to long Tesla, I'm taking everything off here above this highs here. Okay, I think that's pretty clear. From here to here it's about 30%, so that would be a handsome reward for a short-term trade, right, if you're trading Tesla. Okay, so after it takes out this highs here, I would like to see the market break down lower. Okay, it's all based on seasonal tendencies, right? So let's see what happens. Next we have Alibaba. Right, so I'll use the 1 month chart for Alibaba. We are coming right back down into this order block. This is the mean threshold of this order block right here. So any closures below the mean threshold, we're gonna attack the lows. Okay, it can come down and tap this mean threshold before reverting back up, because it has yet to take out any swing highs, so that could be the draw. But if it closes below here and continuously find resistance at this balanced price range, okay, I wouldn't say it's balanced, but we have a volume imbalance right here. Okay, right here. So if it finds the resistance right here, okay, then it's more likely that we're gonna shift lower. So this is for Baba, right? Meta, okay, this will be the last one. We're reaching into this monthly BC again. Right here is the consequent encroachment, and then we have a breaker. Okay, heading down into the weekly, I mentioned that if price has not taken out this high and it comes back down into this level, it's a long. But since it has already taken out this high, I'm not interested in longs anymore. Okay, it's reaching into the breaker right here. Okay, and right at the consequent encroachment of that monthly fair value gap, we have the mean threshold of the breaker as well. So I'm expecting this level to react strongly and then we break down lower. This is for Meta. Okay, as you can see, the high of this week coming at around 244.92, whereas the low of the breaker it's 244.61. Okay, close to perfection. I think this is good enough, right? So let's see if it wants to offer a sell here. Okay, if I was gonna short Meta, I would build my positions around the breaker and I would have my stop loss above this high here. Okay, stop loss above this high. So let's say I get a mean average shorting cost right here is 25%, right? Above the breaker would be 6%. So I will look for price reaction. Because this is on a weekly chart, you have ample of time to react. Okay, so any closures above this breaker, that would be problematic for bearishness. Okay, I would like to see this breaker hold, and if it doesn't, then you can choose to close your positions partially and then see if it reacts nicely to this fair value gap, and it closes above this fair value gap. I think you can fully close your positions and it's gonna take out the highs. Okay, but if not, I would like to see this, the price break down from this level here. Okay, why do I anticipate this type of price action? Because it's due to seasonality. Okay, we're in the month of May and heading into the summer months of June, July, August. So usually seasonal tendency wise, stocks tends to be very bearish. Okay, and I think that's it for this video. I hope you find this insightful and good luck trading.